like, hello. Hi guys, it's Jazz and I'm happy with Beauty Brats, back with another video, back with another banger, back with something that hopefully you want to see, and that's on point. So today, click on the title so you already know what's up. It's not really much else to say. If you like the way this looks, then go ahead and keep watching so you can get the details on how to beat your face like this. Alright, so we're gonna start off with my brows, and I'm using a new product. I actually just got this today from Topaz, so you already know, but it's just e.l.f. and it's brow and lash mascara. So I'm gonna use this side for the brows and really just try to tame them because I haven't gotten these mugs done and I don't know how long. So I also picked this up, and you guys know if you watch my videos that I normally use the Anastasia Dip Brow, but I did used to use this, and I don't know, something about pencil just makes it simpler. So now I'm going to use this Morphe M432 brush. It's just a flat edge brush like that, and I'm my Eyebrow Pro Concealer, oldie but old and true, tried and true. I'm going to use the same LA Girl Pro Concealer to go and prime my eyelids. I'm using a mini beauty blender, of course it's dirty, to blend that out. Now I'm going to be using my Ben Nye Topaz Luxury Powder to set that. And this is what I'll be using to set my face the entire time, so if I don't bring it up, it's because it's this. So now I'm going to carve out the top of my brows with this Maybelline Superstay foundation. I'll link it below, hopefully, but if not, I'll just type it below. I think I'm supposed to actually use it after, after drawing them on, but what can you do? Now I'm just using a fluffy brush to dust off the excess powder that's on my lid. Alright, so my next step is to color correct, and for that I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange Corrector. And I just go where I have dark spots, so mustache area, and then these acne marks that I still haven't gotten rid of. And I just blend that out with my big beauty blender, so it's not harsh under my foundation. Alright, so this is my updated foundation routine. So this is the update, girl. And if you actually been watching my channel, then you know what the tea is and how I do my makeup differently now. But if not, then this is it. I put my concealer on first. Most of the concealer is going on under the foundation. I'm also going to go in with 65 Coffee by Maybelline Fitme, and this is going in my contour areas. So I use the flat side of this little beauty blender to blend that out. Then I use the pointy side to go ahead and blend out the lighter parts of my face. So you see, it's looking very dramatic. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation, and this is in Rich 28, and I'm using a stippling brush from Real Techniques. It's old brush, and I'm just using a little bit, like a pump and a half. That's, I guess, about a little bit, but I don't even push it all the way down. So anyway, I'm using this foundation in the lighter parts of my face where I put my lighter concealer. All right, now I'm going back in with the Maybelline Superstay foundation since it's a little bit darker, and I'll be applying that in my contour areas. So now it is all blended out with the brush. You'll take your beauty blender if you feel like you still need some harsh lines fixed up. Just take that and blend all of it out. Now I'm going in with my Tarte concealer. This is in the color Tan Deep Sand. Is $4.75, and since it's too light for me, I just use a little dot of it in these highlight areas. And this is like actually a little more than I normally use, but it'll be fine. And then you just use that to bring some extra dimension. Now I'm going back in with that same setting powder and setting my highlight areas. Now I'm going in with this Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the dark to deep. And I'm using an angled fluffy brush. And I'll be using this middle sculpt color to contour my face. All right, now I'm gonna clean that up a little bit with that setting powder. I'm using a fluffy brush to go ahead and dust all of that excess powder off. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fitme blush in Berry, and I'm gonna be using a smaller fluffy brush. All right, now I'm going back into the Black Radiance palette using the same sculpt color to give my eyelids some dimension. So I'll just be going into the crease with that. Now we're gonna use this rose water spray. It really doesn't matter. I got this one from Target. Just go ahead, spray that face. Now I'll be using this NYX white eyeliner pen to go into my waterline to brighten my eyes. So then after you do the waterline, you just want to smoke that out. I use the same sculpt color, so really simple. I have the Revlon So Fierce mascara, and this is in the Blackest Black, and I'm just going to use that to go on my bottom lashes. The last step before we just move on to the lips and the lashes, I'm really not going to show the lashes. I can show you guys my lip steps though. But anyway, I'm going to be going in with the Juvia's Place. This is the Royalty 2 pigment highlight. I just use a lid because this stuff is so pigmented, and I use one of these little fluffy brushes, fan brushes, and then I just dust it on. Alright, I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes, and then I'll come back and show my lips, and then that's it, girl. That's the whole, it's done. Okay, period. Alright guys, lashes on. Yeah, I don't really know. They're cute. Just don't really fan them too hard. Might be on the wrong eye, whatever. Alright guys, so I am back to do my lips, and we're going to start off with lining them, and I am using the Juvia's Place liner in Cola. Now I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Revolution lip gloss. This has vitamin E in it, and also it is a plumping lip gloss. So yeah, it doesn't have a color. It says Kiss. Alright guys, so that is it for my foundation routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it and think it's like simple and quick. I really like this foundation routine. It's helped me get my makeup time down, even though it still just takes me forever to do anything. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked it. If you're going to try it out, please let me know down in the comments, and just say something down there, girl. Like, hello. I was just playing, but not for real. Talk to me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.